Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Space in slap battles lets you warp opponents and reposition quickly for kills. Learn the core button inputs and the 1-second burst timing. Focus on approaching from angles where opponents cannot see your windup. Use short teleports to bait predictable dodges and punish with immediate follow-ups. Prioritize neutral control over flashy plays to maintain momentum in matches. Watch enemy cooldowns to find openings for safe engagements and resets. Train these fundamentals before adding advanced combos and pressure sequences to your playstyle. Start each session with a 10-minute movement and teleport drill routine. Practice approaching, feinting, and retracting to build reliable spacing habits. Run 5 rounds of bait, then punish sequences with a training partner or bot. Focus on converting a single successful warp into a guaranteed follow-up or kill. Record your sessions to review missed punishes and correct positioning mistakes. Repeat this routine daily to turn mechanical timing and spatial awareness into instinctive reactions. Control map lanes to force opponents into predictable paths for teleports. Use teleport pressure to corral enemies into corners and punish cramped movement. After a single exchange, rotate to a new angle to avoid ganks and conserve momentum. Prioritize small wins like chip damage and positional reads over risky, all-in attempts. Maintain a calm mindset and treat each loss as data for your next practice session. Apply iterative improvements between matches to steadily climb your space mastery and win.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.